So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that in figure the radius of the incircle is 2 centimeter. So you can see that this is one incircle to the triangle ABC and the radius of this incircle is 2 centimeter. And now O is the center of this circle. So now you can see this point O is the center of this circle. The angle POQ is 150 degree, so this angle is 150 degree. Angle QOR is 120 degree, so this angle is 120 degree, and this angle is 90 degree. You can see. We have to find the area of the triangle ABC. So let's see how we can solve this. So you see this is angle 150 degree, this is 120 degree, and this is 90 degree. So you see from the point A, these two AP and AR are tangent to the incircle. So if we say angle BAC, so what is the angle BAC? It is the 180 degree minus the angle ROP, because this is 90 degree angle, this is 90 degree angle. So this angle sum plus this angle sum is 180 degree. So if we know this angle, so we can directly find this angle. So this is 180 minus this 150 degree, so this angle is 30 degree. So we can easily find this angle. Now similarly, what we can do to find this angle B is, so we know this angle is 90 degree and this angle is also 90 degree, because from the center if we draw perpendicular to the tangent, this will make 90 degree angle. So these all AP, CP, CQ, BQ, BR, AR all are tangent to this incircle. So angle ABC, so angle ABC we can write 180 degree minus the angle ROQ. So this is ROQ. So this angle we know in the problem it is given at 120 degree. So 180 minus 120 degree, it will come like 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree. Now we know this angle is 30, this is 60. And simply this is 90 degree and this is 90 degree. So this angle is 180 minus this angle. So this angle is 90. So this angle, the angle C is also coming at 90. So angle BCA is 90 degree. Now we know the all the angles. Now in the problem it is given that the radius of the incircle is 2 centimeter. So radius of the incircle we know 2 centimeters. So from center if we draw perpendicular to the any tangent, so this distance is equal to the radius. So this is also equal to the radius, this is also equal to the radius, and this is also equal to the radius. So now if we talk about the angle OAB, so OAB angle, how much is that? Because this line, if you connect O point to the A point, so this is the angle bisector. Why? Because this length is equal to the this length, because we are drawing the tangent from the point A to the circle, so the tangent length this and this length is same, and this length is radius and this length is also radius. So this is the angle bisector. So if we know the this whole angle is 30, so the angle bisector divide this whole angle into half half. So this is 15 and this is 15. Because the AR is equal to the AP, so AR is equal to the AP and OR is equal to the OP, and OR is equal to this OP. So this is the angle bisector and this is the 15 degree. Similarly, we can say that this whole angle is 60 degree, and if you connect the point O to the point B, this is the angle bisector, so the 60 divided by 2 is 30, because BR is equal to the BQ and OR is equal to the OQ. So this is 30 degree. Now similarly you can also say this, because CP is equal to the CQ and OP is equal to the OQ, and if you connect O point to the C point, so this will become like the angle bisector. So this whole angle we know this is 90, so half of that will become like the 45, because CQ is equal to the CP and OP is equal to the OQ. Now we know all this. Now let's apply the tan 15 in the triangle AOR. So AOR, in this triangle this angle is 15 degree, and we can write tan 15 is equal to the this perpendicular divided by this base, like OR divided by AR. Tan 15 degree we know is equal to the 2 minus root 3, and we also know OR is equal to the 2 centimeters, so you can find the value of AR. So it is 2 divided by 2 minus root 3. So you can multiply numerator and denominator by 2 plus root 3. And if you do this, so this will denominator will become 1 and numerator you have 4 plus 2 root 3. So this is this. So now we know AR. So AR no, we know it is 4 plus 2 root 3. Now let's talk about the triangle BOR. So this is B, this is O, this is R. So we know this angle is 30. So tan 30 is equal to the OR divided by BR. We know OR is equal to 2. Tan 30 we know 1 by root 3. So BR we can find like 2 root 3. So now we also know this BR is equal to 2 root 3. And previously I had talked about this length AR is equal to the AP. So this length is also equal to the 4 plus 2 root 3. And if this is BR is equal to 2 root 3, so this BQ is also 2 root 3. Now you look at the triangle COQ. Like this C, this is O, this is Q. And this angle here, it is written wrong here. It is not 30 degree. It is like the 45 degree we calculated now. This is 90 divided by 2. It is 45. So it is like OQ divided by CQ. Like this is the perpendicular and this is the base. So this is tan 45. We know it is 1. And OQ value we know it is radius 2 centimeters. So CQ we can find like 2 centimeter. So this length will become like 2 centimeter and this length will also become like 2 centimeter. So now we have all the lengths, like it is 4 plus 2 root 3, it is 4 plus 2 root 3, it is 2, this is 2 root 3 and this is 2 root 3. So now we have whole lengths. So now we have our final goal is to find the area of the triangle ABC. So we can split this into three parts, like the area of the triangle AOB plus area of the triangle BOC plus area of the triangle AOC. AOC. So we can split this into three parts. So what is the area of the triangle AOB? It is half times base is AR plus BR. So this is AR plus BR and this perpendicular height is OR. So this AR is 4 plus 2 root 3 and BR is 2 root 3. So it is like this and OR is like the 2 centimeter like this. So this 2 and 2 cancel and it will become like 4 plus 4 root 3. So now we know the area of the triangle AOB. It is like the 4 plus 4 root 3. So now let's talk about the triangle BOC. So you see like this is B, this is O, this is C. And we know this length is 2 and this length is 2 root 3. So the whole become like 2 plus 2 root 3. And the perpendicular we know this is 2 centimeter. So half times 2 plus 2 plus 2 root 3 and this is 2. So this 2 and 2 cancel and the area of the triangle BOC will become like 2 plus 2 root 3. Similarly, we also calculate the area of the triangle AO and C. So this is 4 plus 2 root 3 and this is 2. So the whole length AC will become like 6 plus 2 root 3 and the perpendicular height this is 90-degree angle and this perpendicular height is 2 centimeter. So half times base which is 4 plus 2 root 3 plus 2 and perpendicular height is 2 centimeter. So this 2 and 2 cancel and it will become like 6 plus 2 root 3. So now we know the all the three parts area. Just we have to do the sum. So this is 4 plus 4 root 3 like this 4 plus 2 4 root 3 like this the area 4 plus 4 root 3 is the area of the triangle AOB. Then 2 plus 2 root 3 and then 6 plus 2 root 3. So 2 plus 2 root 3 and 6 plus 2 root 3. So if you count like 4, 2 and 6, it will become like 12 and 4 root 3, 2 root 3 and 2 root 3, it will become like 8 root 3. So the final answer is 12 plus 8 root 3 centimeter square. So in this way we can find the area of the triangle ABC. So if you like the video, then we will meet in the next video.